Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have a final today on the NY3DCreations Batwoman statue or figure. So I finally got everything cleaned up, all the marks removed off of everything, and finally have it finished. And got the base all painted up the way I like. So I just thought I'd give this a little spin, and then I'll bring the camera in a little bit closer so you guys can see this. Because of its height, it's a little difficult to get it all into a single shot. So, all right, let me stop this real quick. All right, I'm gonna adjust the camera here a little bit. Let's see. Oops. All right. So here we go. So here's the base. Okay, and I did this basically with a whole lot of weathering pigments. Most of them for AK, I believe. So I think the base actually turned out a whole lot better. I was not 100% sure as to what I was going to do with this. And then I just kind of went with it. As you can see, the figure itself, I think turned out okay. And I did base this on the Batwoman TV series, the first season, which had the actress Ruby Rose as Batwoman. They since then have changed actresses, but this is what I based this one on. If you remember, I had all of those support marks on the cape. I was finally able to get all of that smoothed out, puttied, and taken care of. It was a lot of work though. And then there's the figure itself. I think overall, despite all of the issues with getting everything prepped, I think this actually turned out okay. Yeah, definitely not a beginner's kit at all, especially with all the prep work that went with this, but definitely if you've got a little bit, intermediate skills or advanced skills, you can really do something with this kit. But that's it. There's my final on this. I hope everybody's having a great week, and I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers, especially my new ones. Thanks for signing up. Hope you like everything that's here. And to all my long-term subscribers, thank you very much. I do appreciate you all. And like I said, I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and I will talk to you all real soon. Bye.